Good evening, Mayor. If you were the president, what actions would you implement to save the country from further degradation?
Political or environmental degradation? The deterioration is working everywhere.
Maybe political, Mayor. With the
Ako
situation we are right
political,
now.
I don't know. Siguro tawagin ko lahat. O akong pupunta sa kanila. Maybe sabihin ko, I'll go to you and ask you, what do you want? Anong gusto mo? Sirain natin ang Pilipinas o magkaintindihan tayo? Or, kasi at the rate I said that they're going, walang itong, ano ba natawag? Paano ba sa Tagalog sabihin yung, at the rate we're going, the end of this travel is wala, it would end to the agony and suffering of the people. Wala talaga. Nag-harden. The guys on the streets are demanding for the removal of the president. Ito naman ngayong Congress is, the new battleground is in Congress. And naiipit ngayon yung presidente. And if they force the president to give in, and if the military would not want that, I said, with the military fractured, you have all the ingredients for perdition. I really do not know. But if the president will ask me, among others, he said, martial law, I would tell him, do not. I repeat. Do not, because I cannot support you. Simply because the conditions are not present. So it would only mean an illegal declaration.